In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace in GIMP. If you're looking to create clean outlines from a photo or sketch, or you want to plan a digital illustration with crisp edges, tracing is a great way to work non-destructively while keeping your original intact. We'll set up a simple, reliable workflow that keeps everything tidy and easy to manage. Start by launching GIMP and opening the image you want to trace. You can go to File and Open, or simply drag your image into the GIMP window. Once it's open, look for the Layers panel, usually on the right. If you don't see it, you can bring it up from the Windows menu under Dockable Dialogues, then choose Layers. This panel is your control center for stacking and managing everything you draw. It helps to zoom in a bit to judge line quality and zoom out to check overall proportions. Use your mouse wheel or the zoom controls to move in and out and pan the canvas so the part you're tracing stays centered. Next, add a fresh layer for your tracing lines so you don't draw directly on the original. Go to Layer, then New Layer. In the dialog that appears, name it something like Trace to stay organized and make sure the fill type is set to transparent. That transparency is key. It means your drawn lines sit on their own sheet, leaving the source image untouched. Ensure this new layer is above your original in the stack. If it isn't, just drag it up. With that layer selected, pick a drawing tool you like. The paintbrush is great for natural, hand-drawn lines. The pencil gives crisp, pixel edges, and the Paths tool is perfect for smooth, editable curves. Choose a brush color that contrasts well with your image, like a bright red or blue, and adjust brush size and hardness so your lines are clear but not too heavy. To make the tracing easier to see, lower the opacity of the original image. In the Layers panel, click the original image layer and drag the opacity slider down until the picture looks faint but readable. Somewhere around the mid-range often works well. The goal is to reduce visual clutter so your tracing lines pop, while still keeping all the reference details visible underneath. From here, trace carefully on the transparent layer, following key edges and important shapes. Use short strokes, zoom in for details, and pan as you go. Keep everything on that one transparent layer so edits stay simple. And as you work, save your project periodically so your layers and progress are preserved.